So how's it going? Jay Verduzco here at Project Blackbetty, and today you get to see why we call it Project Blackbetty. The engine's been taken back out, and it's all been sent out to powder coat and paint and thermal coating, and now it's actually getting to what you're going to see as finished product. You'll see the grill on there, and some of the pieces are really starting to come together. Just showed up here today. It's kind of a surprise visit for the team, and they took lunch here real quick so we can get this shot in. But we're doing really well. The guys are doing great. They're working on the stacks later to get them put on there. Great progress going along. We're doing good on time, good on schedule. Boys are taking the design and running with it, and we're pretty amazed with what's going on here. A little shop with just a couple of guys, but just like you guys at home, they're making it happen and thrashing through the nights. And just like you guys getting ready for a race, you're getting ready for the next car show. These guys are in here putting in the time and effort. So we're just like you guys, working hard, making stuff look good, getting it to the track, getting it to the car show. Keep up with us on the hangar. Let us know if you guys have any questions. We want to hear your comments. See you guys at SEMA.